Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can create a checklist and add it to your notes on Evernote in 2026. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your note on Evernote. Let me go with that example here. And skip the title and click into the text box here to enter your command / and after that simply followed by the command checklist or checkbox, depending on which one you would like to use. Alternatively, guys, you may simply use these options here at the top amongst these text formatting tools, checklist. And that is going to add the first bullet point or checkbox to your checklist. So let me give it a name. Press enter. Fill it with text. And so on. So guys, this is how it works. If you'd like to indent, simply use the tab or tabulator button or key on your keyboard. You can also change the position of these points. As you can see, like on most other project or task management tools, simply click into that handle and reposition it, and that's it. Now here to the right, guys, you may add, for example, a comment, and you can also add bulleted list as well as numbered list, but that's something we discuss in a different or another tutorial. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.